In this lesson, you will learn everything you need to know about creating flyers using AI tools. Sit back and enjoy this tutorial. You will need a laptop or a mobile phone to do this.
So the first thing you want to do is go to Pinterest, right? When you get to Pinterest, of course you have your account and everything. But because I've already looked when your Pinterest open, click the search bar and search for the item you want. This is the image I chose. This is my image. This is the image I want to use, right? I've downloaded this image to my PC. So I'm going to go back to my prompt. Now, I'll first of all click the plus sign to upload the picture, then type this prompt. It's going to give me prompt that has detailed every single thing about this flyer. So this is a prompt. You can see everything, and it gave me variables. Variables actually mean that I can edit some things that I want from this whole description. You get this is everything he gave to me. But I don't like this first one, so I told him to give me a second one, and I said give, and this is what he did. He created it that I can use on Gemini. Now I copied everything. Look at the variables, model variables, every details. They can change the text and everything. So I copied it, then I took it to my Google Gemini. I had to do this process 3 times before I was able to get it. I had to do this edit 3 good times. Now look at it. It's still the same. There's nothing that's changed because I didn't change anything during my I didn't change any variables. So it gave me back whatever it has already given me here, right? This thing I asked him to give me, this is what he gave me back. He didn't change anything. So because I didn't do it well, I went back and copied that same prompt, edited some certain things in it to give me what I want. I want to change the name to my own company name and whatever and whatever. So everything I want to change it. So after doing the second one, this is what I got, and I was not satisfied because there were some certain things I didn't do so well. So I copied the same prompt again for the third time. I had to read it down, went detail by detail by detail by detail, making sure I didn't make any mistakes and making sure that everything I want it to appear is actually in sync. So this is where I started my designs. Headlines, small head text. Are you a rising creator? Blah 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 blah. Then very large text. Welcome to Close Seller TV. Then subtext. Join our. I change all these things to suit my brand model. Every single thing, but everything depends on the type of image you are. Some might not be as long as this. Now everything I changed gave me this. And you see what it gave to me. Now let me show you the image clearly. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at everything he gave to me. Closer TV, DSL camera. You seen it? Futuristic, camera. I re-edited everything to suit my own brand design because we asked him to give us variables. So the variables he gave to us is what we use to, re-edit them and get this. You can see it's almost looking perfect to the original that we downloaded before. It's looking entirely almost the same thing with the original. Let me show you the original. This is the original. Now this is the original. Though it changed some certain things, but at least you know it gave us a better view of what we're actually looking for. So this is the exact system I used to generate flyers with AI tools. And after then, remember there's this watermark. You need a website that removes watermark to be able to remove so that people don't know that it's AI. So after doing this, I went further doing some other, of my brand flyers. So I don't really need a graphic designer right now. All I just need to do is copy exact, and it looks absolutely almost to the original. It's always looking close to original, but with a sensitive understanding, the one that's AI and the one that's not AI. So if you find this very helpful and you want to understand more about this lesson, you can always start this number and ask questions. I will explain everything to you. Thank you very much.